Do you ever mean to give some money to a charity and then forget? Or did you know that there is a way you can do it straight from your gross pay, which means that you then pay less tax? Well, it's called Payroll Giving, and it's currently Payroll Giving Awareness Month. One of the main companies that does it is based in Devon. Clare Mortimore is the CEO of the Tavistock-based company, Charitable Giving.
Payroll Giving was set up in 1987 and is designed for a tax-efficient giving opportunity, basically. So if you work for a large company and they have a payroll giving scheme, then you can give to any charity of your choice, tax-free.
Now, a lot of people are going to be listening thinking, look, by the time I get tax taken out, I get my national insurance contributions taken out, pension contributions taken out, I've hardly got enough left to get by on at the end of the month. What would you say to people to encourage them to consider it?
Well, we've been really surprised through the difficulties, including the cost of living crisis, that people's philanthropic intentions have really held up. And this shows an intent to give to charity. And if you intend to give to charity generally, then the most tax efficient way to do it is through payroll giving. So if you are short of money, then even a small donation can make a huge difference if you use the payroll giving scheme.
And what are the benefits for the charities that you're supporting?
So the beneficiary charities, and it's up to the individual to choose any UK registered charity of their choice. It's not guided by the agency at all. It's up to the individual. The benefit to the charity is that when they receive the funds from the agency, then they don't need to do anything further. So unlike gift aid, they don't have to fill in a lot of administration, documents and forms to actually claim the additional money. They're getting the amount that has been pledged without any additional burden of administration.
Well, that's Clare Mortimore, from Charitable Giving. But it's not just big name charities that can benefit from this. Lots of smaller charities across Devon and Cornwall do too, including St Luke's Hospice. Now, Leslie Coulton works there as part of the regular giving team, and she says it's so helpful knowing that they can rely on these regular donations.
We can use that donation to help keep our nurses on the road. So it's whereas one-off donations, you don't know whether you're getting them from one week to the next. If somebody commits to give £5 a month, or they can give, when they get bonuses, they can just give a £50 a year in a bonus. At least we know we've got that regular income coming in.
Yeah, I can imagine that must be really useful.
Yes.
So I guess you'd like more people to do it.
We would love to have more people to do it. And it's really easy. If your employer's already signed up to a payroll giving company, and there's 22 on the government site that list at the moment, and you can just go to your payroll department and that's to donate a certain amount every month, and they'll do it out of your pay before it's taxed. If they're not set up, the employer can set it up, and all they need to do is go onto the website and set it up with a payroll giving agency. We use 5, but the main one is the Charities Trust and Charitable Giving, and it's very easy to set up as an employer, and then all of your employees have the benefit then. But you'll find that most larger companies do have payroll giving already set up, so it'll be really easy for you to do as an employee.
Do you get much of your donations in this way? No,
payroll giving's quite low at the moment. So, and it's a real shame, because I think a lot of employees don't understand how it works. And it is so easy, because as an employer, you can easily sign up. It's very easy to do. And then as an employee, you just go to your payroll or your HR department and just say, can I have X amount a month deducted from my salary to this particular charity? And they'll do it all for you. And then all you'll see in your wage slip is that little bit of donation that you're donating. You can even have your donation split between 1 or 2 charities. Wow. And it also helps for your bonuses. So you could actually say, well, if I get a bonus at the end of the year, if you're lucky enough to get a bonus at the end of the year, you can actually give some of your bonus as well.
And just remind people, Lindsay, how important, how crucial donations are to the work that you do at the hospice.
Well, at the moment, as you probably know, with the national landscape, it is so difficult at the moment to raise any money at all. The hospice predominantly relies on public donations to run. and we care for over 300 patients at any one time, both in the hospice and also mainly in people's homes. We cover Plymouth, East Cornwall and parts of Southampton, so we've got quite a wide catchment area. And we want to continue our service. It's so vital for the families and the patients that live in our area. And we just want to give them a really lovely end to their lives and obviously to support their families.
Leslie Coulton there from St Luke's Hospice, talking about the benefits of payroll giving when people sort of regularly donate some money to them or to any other charity from their gross salary, which does, as you've just been hearing, have tax benefits as well.